Welcome back. I'm Laura with Feather the Nest, and I am really trying to catch up on a lot of my posts here over the holidays. Welcome back if you're here again, and if you're new here, make sure you hit like and subscribe because I'm almost at 50 subscribers, which may not seem like a lot, but it's just something I'm slowly building. So I'd love to hit 50 by the end of the weekend. Just need 3 more. So if you can be those next people, help me out, like and subscribe. Today, we're gonna be talking about several things. One of the things is this that just came in, my Brother 1034D. I had some gift cards from Amazon, so I used them to order this. I've never had a serger, so I'm very excited about getting started with it. And I also just put up this lovely bulletin board back here that has some projects on it that I think I'll be able to use for my serger. And I think it's gonna be super handy to have here to keep patterns up, all kinds of things. So yeah, there's at least 4 projects up here that I can't wait to get started on with this. So let's see how it goes. All right, let's open this sucker up. And yes, these are my bad used up scissors that I use for packages. So I'm very excited about this. Okay. All right, so there's some warranty information in here. So I'll probably take care of that after this video. But this should have everything in it, I guess, about setting this up. Like I said, never had one. So I'm very excited to get started. Yeah. Okay. The setup, I guess, is here. So we're gonna see if we can't get this thing kind of going. Yeah. All right. I recommend just 130. Okay. I'm just seeing the needles, all kinds of stuff. I don't even know that I have everything to go with this. We're gonna find out. I think this is the trap for the fabric that is cut off. So, and then of course here is the pedal and plug. So that's handy. All right. Let's see what else. Oh, it even has this thread in here, which is nice. There is a cover on it. So I'm gonna pull the cover off because, yeah, there's a lot going on here. Some additional parts. All right, let's see if I can get this out of the box. It's very lightweight. Yeah, there's a couple of little thread that are down here. I think it was initially, let me get rid of the box now. Sorry. But yeah, it looks like they initially threaded it, but I don't know that it really stayed that way in shipment. You can see the blue one is still there, and I have all of the others around here. Like I said, here's the cover for it that you can always put on there. Yeah, and it looks like they used the different colors to kind of help you understand what was going on with each one, with each thread. But it did come unthreaded, so it looks like I'll be threading this again. And it did come with a little scrap here showing that it had been used before, I guess, and then it worked. So I guess they test each one before they send them out. So that's very exciting. Yeah. So let's just take a look at it really quick. Your journey starts here. There's actually a QR code here that you can scan to, I guess, get your setup started, which is exciting to me because I'm gonna need a lot of help with this, just because I haven't ever done it. And I'll probably rearrange some things on my desk so that I have both of the pieces up here, both my sewing machine and my serger close to me. So I'm very excited about that. But here, let me go ahead and get the pedal out. in the power. Okay. Plug that in over here on the side. And there we go. Now, oh, I keep dropping things. Too many things on the edge here. That was pins. Luckily I have an magnet to clean that up in a minute. I'm gonna plug this in so we can get power going. Okay. I'm gonna turn the power on. We have power. I don't know if you can see it, but I have a light now. So I definitely have power, but I'm gonna have to do some research on rethreading this and making it all work right. But I'm very excited that I have it. They did like an edge finish on this that looks really nice on this piece that they had in here. So that's what I'm probably most excited about. And I wish I had more info to give you, but I've never used one of these. So I will give another update once I kind of learn some more about how to put all this together. And yeah, there's a lot of extra parts in here. Extra feet, some extra needles, which is nice. Some tweezers, which I'm assuming will come in very handy when threading. A little wrench. Yeah, these feet, I'm interested to find out. Let me see if there's a foot like this, and those of you who do sergers probably know what these are, but I really don't. Let's see if they have the feet listed in here. Oh, yeah, they're showing exactly how to thread everything in here, and what the feed ratios are, the stitch length, and all that kind of good stuff. I'm not seeing a listing of these feet, but let's see if it will tell me in a moment. I don't know why that interests me so much, but it does. Oh, and yeah, this is definitely the little piece that goes on the side to catch. So as I learn this, I will maybe do another video about how I learned what to do and how to get everything threaded. I do, like I said, have several projects that are more like knit based that I really have been looking forward to working on. I could have done them on a regular sewing machine, but I was very excited about doing them on a serger. So I have my new Brother 1030 4D, and I'm going to get it all threaded up and ready to go. And then I'm gonna start one of these projects, which I have the Alley sweatshirt from Indie Stitch. That was the November, oh no, that was the December, and it's from Sew DIY. And like I said, could have done that without a serger, but I'm gonna try to do it with. The Farrah top from Seamwork definitely would be great to do on a serger. The paget pleated trousers, that was the November one for Indie Stitch. And these are all things I'm gonna do this week. I'll probably finish all 4 projects this week. And then the Andy jacket. I've already made one of these for my son's girlfriend, but I'm gonna be making one for myself and one for my daughter as well. So we could possibly use the serger on that, because a lot of the directions did have serger things on there. And so I'm really looking forward to doing that, because I've only made one now off of my sewing machine. So thanks for tuning in. I know this wasn't super informative, but just kind of a where I'm at thing. And I'm very excited to have it. So I will be posting some more videos about using this and how it's going. And I hope everybody has a great day. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. My goal is 50 by the end of the weekend, which is today. So please spread this around and let's get more subscribers. Have a great day.